Hey everyone, welcome back to TechFroggy YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of networking with the TP-Link EAP225 outdoor access point. We'll unbox it, share our first impressions, and walk you through the configuration step by step. So, let's get started. Here's the box. Right off the bat, I love the sleek design and the clear labeling. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside, we have the EAP225 access point itself, a quick installation guide, mounting hardware, and a power adapter. It's nice to see everything neatly packed. Now, let's take a closer look at the EAP225. It has a robust build designed for outdoor use, and it feels really durable. The weatherproof casing is a big plus for those of us who want reliable connectivity outside. It features dual-band Wi-Fi with speeds up to 1,200 megabits per second and supports multiple SSIDs, which is great for managing different networks. Plus, it has a range of up to 200 meters, making it perfect for larger outdoor areas. Alright, let's get this set up. First, we'll need to power on the device, then connect the EAP225 to our network. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your router using an Ethernet cable. Next, we'll access the management interface. Open your web browser and type in the default IP address of omada controller, which is usually private IP address. You'll be prompted to log in. Enter the login ID and password. The rest of the configuration you can watch in the video. Happy to see you guys till the end of the video. Watch video, comment in the comment box for any information. We are excited to hire you from. Thanks again watching video. You all are our family. See you guys in the other tech unboxing video.